In this video, I'll show you how to check who has subscribed to your YouTube channel. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. It's always interesting to see who's subscribed to your channel, so let's get started. First, head over to YouTube. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. If not, click the sign in button at the top right corner and log in. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, ensure you're on the right channel. If not, select Switch Account and choose the correct one. Next, click on YouTube Studio from the same menu. This will take you to your creator dashboard. On the YouTube Studio homepage, scroll down until you see the section labeled Recent Subscribers. Click on the See All option just below it. This will open a list of people who have subscribed to your channel. Keep in mind, this list only includes subscribers who have their subscriptions set to public. Subscribers with private settings won't appear here, so the number may differ from your total subscriber count. Additionally, you can adjust the time frame to see subscribers over a specific period by clicking the drop-down menu at the top right. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.